Kayak 31. Clear, Kayak 31. Wilco Kayak 31. 34 and flight level 230 requesting a block of 210240 in TSA 17 and we are checking in as fragged plus 13 kilos. Exit Kayak 31. 0 for refueling, requesting the block of 210240 for receivers. Kayak 31 will establish inside the TSA, maintaining inside TSA for refueling. We'll like to establish in the western half. Happy for you to vector Golf Alpha 01 flight towards us. That's copied. Request you push Golf Alpha 01 flight to Amber 25 and we'll have them establish 1,000 foot below as well as we deal with turbines. The Kayak 31 holding hands with Golf Alpha 01. 1 is as fragged plus 13 kilopounds.
It'll be Tempest, just Tempest 1, Tempest 2. 240 Tempest, 260. 40 Tempest, Tempest standby.
Actually, Kayak 31, we are expecting RV with Juliet Kilo 2122 at minute 00. Off-speed Kayak 31, requesting maintain in this area until our next bracket with turbines at 1425. Kayak 31, frag plus 22 kilos, 22 kilopounds. A firm, Kayak 31. Kayak 31, radio check. Green 20, readability 5. On this established TSA 1751230. Did you copy our frag plus? No. Turbines and then drag them back via Betas, Utenu, Ravpo and across the FIR. Galaxy Kayak 31 request.
Okay. Green 20, Tempest 11 flight 2, checking in as fragged 075 113, radar contact Kayak 31. Tanker confirmed, tanker height 240.
Kayak 31 requesting RTB flight level 380 and upon completion of refueling we'll be splitting the formation and turbines looking to climb 410 for RTB. This will be looking to RTB flight level 430. The Kayak 31 request elevate 260. Over 260. Kayak 31.
Looking to RTB. Staying inside, taking frequency Tempest. Check.
31, request RTB, flight level 260. Say again, you were stepped on Kayak. 133.2, Kayak 31, good day.